Here's how to create your own present level assessment within SLP Toolkit. You'll notice that it's a very similar feel and process to creating a custom criterion reference test. It's important to name your subtest according to its content area. This tells the system how to define a student's strength or need. If they pass this test, the system will mark story elements as a strength for the student, but if they fail, story elements will be listed as a need. If you are testing multiple skills within a subtest, you will need to label each stimulus item with its own description of the strength or need. In this box, enter a percentage so the system knows how many questions a student needs to answer correctly in order to pass. If the student scores less than this percentage, then the subtest will be flagged as a need. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this assessment turned out. To access a report of the student's performance, as well as a list of their strengths and needs, go to the Actions dropdown and select Print. If you have any questions, please let us know by emailing us at hello@slptoolkit.com.